Welcome back to the channel once again, guys. Here I am improving my English while speaking naturally in the camera. Today I am very excited because the topic I am going to pick was really awesome, really a trending topic. The man, the myth. I hope you are getting it. The what the topic is. So yes, I am going to talk about today FIFA World Cup 2026. Yes, Spain versus Cape Verde. Spain versus Cape Verde. We got a hero. We got a hero. We got an inspiration for many, for me also. So yes, I am talking about none other than Vozinha. I think yes, you heard that name Vozinha, but Vozinha on Twitter, on Instagram, on YouTube, everywhere he is, literally rocking. So yes, after hearing that, Spain versus Cape Verde, everybody talking about Spain is going to win, Spain is going to win, but the God's plan, the man, the myth, the goalkeeper, Wojina, save 7 saves, goals, and 27 attempts. I think so, like that. I don't know about football too much, but I am interested about that game. So yes, the 40-year-old man Wojina are rocking. After that, after that I study about them. I literally study about them, like what a man. Heads off, salute. What I have to say, it's really little because the myth, the man. So yes, I am going to talking about this man. So yeah, in his childhood, he's from Cape Verde country, very small. If you search on a map, you didn't find on the map because doesn't exist on a map. If you zoom out on a map, you will see the Cape Verde country, smallest country, one of the smallest country. Only the total population is 5 lakhs only. 5 lakhs only. So yes, so he grew up with his grandmother because his father is in military and his mother is working out there. So his parents didn't give too much time for a child for Vojina. So his grandparent grew up since in the childhood, and the Vojina name called Miss Little Grandmother. Because Vojina, the original name is Josimar. So Joshima didn't like his name because of some of his friends are joking out there and something like that. But that name, who knows that name will hear whole world, literally Vojina, the man, the myth. So yes, he grew up, and the most important thing about what inspired me to, what inspired you to many others guy, like in 21, when he was 21-year old, he started club football. At 26 he debuted for national team. Like everybody started early, like 15, 16, 14, everybody practicing there, but he didn't because of financial issue and all these things. But in his mind, he's going to be a rock. So yes, in at the age of 21-year old, Josimar started playing club football. After that, after years of hard work, after years of practicing, he got selected national team at the age of 26. And after 14 years, at the age of 40, he is rocking on a in a match, Cape Verde versus Spain, in a FIFA World Cup 2026. So what we will learn about them. So he inspired many, as obviously I inspired really too much, because it's like situation like me. I can relate this situation because my situation is also something like that. So yes, so he taught us, you never give up on your dream. And if you don't start early, don't worry. If you had a dream in your mind, if you had a dream in your mind, you will be going to your rock. It's take time, it's take time. He is a second oldest goalkeeper in FIFA World Cup for debut in FIFA World Cup. So yes, finally he did it, because in his mind he will going to be a rock. He will going to be a play a FIFA World Cup, as he said. So yes, what we learn from that is, yes, never give up on your dream. If you start late, don't worry, keep working hard. you will be succeed in your life. So I inspired literally too much. I inspired many. I just searching his name all over there and study about them. So yes, so this is the thing what we learn from them, from Vagina. I hope you will understand what I am trying to say. I can relate this much because in few week ago I feel so sad and giving up in my dream, in another dream. But he inspired me a lot. I am going to write on a diary his journey, literally, for sure. So yeah, this is the thing, guys. I am talking about Vagina. You will go and search out there how he grew up, how he's playing football, cricket. The funny part is, or you can say the most important thing is to his mother didn't came to watch his match because of financial issue and because of visa, and he almost cried, and he said after a post presentation, like he's also he said also he is happy because of his performance, but he's talking about who is grave up like his grandparents, so who didn't watch him, like being a rock. But it's okay, you will not get all these things in life. There is something are missing out there, but you have to do is keep working hard. That's why I'm telling you guys, keep working hard. It's never start, it's never too late. If you had a dream, you will be a successful man anyhow, because champions find a way to make it happen. Yes. So I hope it's clear. He inspired not only me, he inspired the whole world who is feeling behind, who is feeling, yes, like on a giving up on your dream. Never give up, never give up. You will find a success, you will find a way to make it happen, guys. Yes, that's it for the day. See you in the next one, and keep learning, keep going, guys, and keep inspired. Just watching all this content on YouTube, social media, Instagram, Twitter, all these things. Don't watch bad videos and all these things. Funny part is just follow the good one. And yes, after the match, before the match, he has 44 followers on Instagram. After the match, I think so. After the match, what? Guess, he got 1 million, and in this time he has 11.8 million followers on Instagram. Yes, you will got fame, you will got everything with the time when your time is come. But the only ways to time will come to doing a hard working, and that's it. Vagina, Vagina inspired me a lot. Let's see what happened to me. What my dream. Bye bye. See you.